Hello, Kitchenistas! I am always trying to think of quick, easy, and delicious dinners that will feed and satisfy my family and me. Fish is a really great option since it ticks all those boxes. You can use any white fish for this. The sauce is really packed with flavor and just elevates the fish. We're cooking the fish two ways, giving it a quick sear in the pan and also poaching it. This will ensure that it has a nice crust, but it's soft and delicate in the middle. Poached fish usually has a really bad reputation, but this method of cooking fish along with the limey coconutty sauce is just phenomenal. As usual, the detailed recipe can be found on Kitchen Chronicles by Aditi.com. Now let's get started. I'm going to sprinkle over some salt, some pepper, and some paprika onto the fish on both sides. Turn the fish over to both sides so that both the sides get evenly coated with the spices. Now let's heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Wait for the pan to get really hot, and I'm going to give my fish a quick sear on both sides. I'm cooking it for approximately 1 minute per side. Once done, remove the fish and set it aside onto some kitchen paper. Now, we're going to add in the oil and put in the garlic, your ginger, your lemongrass, and some brown sugar. The trick here is to make sure that it caramelizes really well, and this is one of the tricks that boosts up the flavor. Now we're going to add in our chili flakes, paprika, and chili garlic sauce. Cook it for another minute or so. Now pour in your coconut milk. And a tablespoon of soya sauce. Once your sauce starts to heat up, put the fish back in and let it bubble away for another few minutes. Once your fish is cooked, remove them from the pan and just set them aside. Now, just before removing your sauce from the heat, add in your lime zest, lime juice, chopped basil, reserve some to scatter on top before serving, and some fish sauce. Give it a good stir, and your sauce is now ready. It's really important to taste your food and add whatever you need to. I'm just going to give it a small taste. This is perfect. I love serving this on some cauliflower rice and some Asian greens. It smells so divine. The flaky, soft fish, along with the zingy, delicious sauce, is a restaurant quality dish which you can enjoy in the comforts of your own home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you back here for some more delicious recipes.